Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable wallpapers in Opera browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Opera browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner, and in the drop down menu select this one settings option. In the left sidebar, you need to select this one basic option. On the right sidebar, you will see this one wallpapers section. Under this, you will find enable wallpapers option. Just turn on this one toggle switch to enable background for Opera. And under this option, you will find several beautiful images. You can select any according to your choice. In case you don't love any wallpaper, you can click on this one get more wallpapers option, or if you have already a beautiful wallpaper on your PC, you can use this one button add your wallpaper, and you can select a wallpaper from your Windows PC. After choosing a beautiful wallpaper, you will see whenever you will open Opera browser or a new tab, you will see that beautiful wallpaper is now background of your Opera browser.